kind of at mission critical space right now. We're inside what I call the finishing window.
I'm happy for my whānau, for my iwi, because we have a solid foundation now.
It's special to us because we're the new generation to go on the new WAKA.
It's definitely getting exciting. Now it's just a matter of preparing our kaihoi, getting as much practice on the water as possible, so when we do receive it, we're ready to go.
So it's pretty cool to let us young ones be on the waka so we can hold it down for the next rangatei coming up.
Waka is everyday life for us. Carving waka, paddling is just what we do. And it took me a little while to realise that actually our whanaunga and Ngāti Whātua haven't had that for a very long time.
We've traversed through a whole lot of mahi on whenua, and now we're going to be working our way to place our mana out on the moana. This is going to be another one of those epic iwi moments for our people.